Hey guys, this is Corey, the Subaru nerd here at Cruise Subaru. I've got an Ascent here and I wanted to continue the discussion on the Eyesight. And the Eyesight is these two color cameras right here. Now we talked about the Eyesight the day before, and we mentioned that it has pre-collision braking. So pre-collision braking, what does that mean? All right guys, we're inside the car. Right here, there's the two cameras from the inside view that see everything in front of the car. So one of the main things that it has is pre-collision braking. Now the pre-collision braking means that if you don't see someone stopping in front of you, the car is going to try to stop itself. And it's going to do the best it can. I did another video where I actually tested the limits of this stopping feature, and it does a really good job. It can prevent an accident below around 30 miles an hour. And it'll do its best to reduce the accident above that. So it really does a great job to give you that peace of mind if you don't see anything in front of you stopping, that it's going to try to stop for you. So it has 3 stages, and the first stage is a warning sign, warning lights and sound. It'll start beeping at you and say, hey, look up, there's something in front of you. The second stage, it starts to apply the brakes. And then the third stage, it really applies the brakes, and it really slams on the brakes and hopefully prevents the accident. So that's the pre-collision braking. If you guys have any other questions about it, I'd love to talk about it, and comment below if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer any questions on that. We're going to be going into more details of the Eyesight, so be looking for future videos. And I'm here for you if you need anything. I'm the Subaru nerd here at Cruise Subaru, and I'm happy to help. Talk to you soon.